Keep your plants healthy without the hassle. Smarty Plants uses advanced sensors to monitor every aspect of your plant's environment, providing real-time insights right on your device. Gone are the days of wondering why your plants aren't thriving. Smarty Plants makes plant care easy and effective. With its user-friendly app, you'll receive instant notifications if your plants need water, light, or any other adjustments. The sensors track temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and more. The Liber Live C1 is a cutting-edge smart guitar designed for musicians on the go. This innovative, foldable travel guitar integrates modern technology with an intuitive playing experience. Its stringless design eliminates traditional strings using a pressure-sensitive surface to detect touch and chord formations, making it ideal for travelers and those seeking a compact musical instrument. The Liber Live C1 connects seamlessly to a mobile app that offers interactive chord sheets and a comprehensive chord generator. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. The Fantic X9 cross paddleboard pump is a versatile, high-performance air pump designed for various outdoor and recreational activities. Capable of reaching up to 75 psi, it offers efficient inflation and deflation for paddleboards, kayaks, tents, and more. The auto-off feature ensures convenience, stopping the pump when the desired pressure is achieved. This reduces the risk of overinflation while providing a smooth and accurate experience. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines smartphone videography with its intelligent foldable design, offering seamless stabilization for a variety of content creators. Its built-in tripod and selfie stick features ensure versatility whether filming solo or with a group, allowing for smooth, professional shots. With AI-powered tracking capabilities, the Flow 2 Pro automatically locks onto subjects, following their movements with remarkable precision. Whether you're shooting a solo vlog or capturing multiple people in motion, this gimbal adapts to your needs, providing consistent results. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight build weighing just 0.549 pounds, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. This drone features a powerful 4K camera, enabling stunning high-definition aerial footage that meets the demands of creative professionals and hobbyists alike. The 34-minute flight time ensures ample opportunity to capture expansive views or complete intricate aerial tasks. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. In the ever-demanding landscape of hybrid workflows and remote collaboration, this machine stands out, not just for power, but for precision. The Asus ZenBook Duo redefines multitasking with its twin 14-inch OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, each panel delivering stunning color depth, true blacks, and ultra-smooth visuals for creators, coders, and professionals who rely on responsiveness and clarity. This is more than a laptop, it's a portable dual-screen workstation. The HandBoost C1, true wireless ultrasonic cutter for DIY makers, combines precision and versatility in one compact, powerful tool. Featuring ultrasonic technology, it operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, allowing for clean cuts through various materials. This high-frequency cutter provides true wireless convenience, enabling you to work without the restrictions of cords, making it ideal for mobile or on-the-go tasks. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the amzn.to tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Breville Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. In a dim-lit basement or a vibrant game room, this wall-mounted marvel draws attention with its glowing retro pixel display and arcade ambiance. This isn't your average wall art. It's the gateway to competitive play, solo challenges, and endless customization. Welcome to an electronic era where digital darts meet vintage charm. The game thrives on advanced recognition technology that tracks each toss with precision, creating fast-paced, live-action gaming. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology. Crafted with Danish design principles and premium craftsmanship, this wood projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. With a giant screen experience up to 180 inches, it transforms any room into a personal theater. The patent-pending Smart Flip technology allows for seamless vertical displays, offering flexibility for all viewing angles. The GlocalMe Pet Phone offers an innovative way to monitor and care for your pet, combining real-time tracking with health management. Equipped with a super tracker, it ensures you can pinpoint your pet's exact location, whether near or far, using light and sound for easy identification. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or simply keeping tabs around the house. Its secure geofence feature adds an extra layer of safety by setting predefined boundaries. If your pet strays outside this area, you'll receive instant alerts ensuring they remain safe at all times. The TieSpanner 2.0 Mini Multi-Tool Wrench offers versatile functionality, merging convenience with precision. Crafted from durable titanium, it is designed to handle daily tasks while remaining compact enough to carry anywhere. The TieSpanner 2.0 serves as a practical solution for those in need of a multifunctional tool, featuring a bottle opener, wrench, and various useful points for tightening or loosening bolts. Introducing the Seatmate Ottoman Ramp, a practical and comfortable addition to your home or office. Designed for pet owners, this unique piece ensures your pet can stay close while you work. With an easy-to-use ramp, it provides a convenient way for pets to join you without strain. The Seatmate's compact design is perfect for various spaces. It measures 53.50 inches in length, 21 inches in width, and 24.75 inches in height, offering a balanced presence without overwhelming your room. The Sony Wireless Portable Speaker ULT Field 3 combines rugged durability with powerful audio performance, designed to withstand the elements while delivering impressive sound. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or camping, this Bluetooth speaker's IP67 rating ensures full protection against water, dust, and rust. The shockproof design guarantees reliable use even in the toughest conditions, offering peace of mind while you enjoy your favorite tunes. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The Oliap Archer Meeting Headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. Compact yet powerful, this 3-in-1 tool is engineered for precision and efficiency on any job site or home project. Whether you're aligning shelves, installing trim, or framing walls, it combines essential tools into one rugged design that fits in your pocket. The Cube integrates a digital angle finder, level, and laser distance meter, simplifying complex measurements with absolute accuracy. With a precision rating of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this device delivers exact readings for every measurement. The Vesta Candle. With an eye for dynamic storytelling, this compact system transforms ordinary shots into cinematic sequences. Trexo Wheels enhances every frame through precision motion control, letting users craft smooth, repeatable movements with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product or capturing a scene, its intuitive system adapts to both mobile and DSLR workflows. What sets this apart is its built-in AI voice command capability. Direct the device hands-free and stay focused on your subject. Experience the next level of home security with the Aqara U200 door lock, a sleek and powerful solution designed for modern living. Engineered with a fingerprint keypad included, it offers seamless, keyless entry for added convenience. Built on Matter-over-Thread technology, it ensures stable, energy-efficient connectivity, giving homeowners reliable access control without compromise. The lock fully supports Apple HomeKey integration, allowing quick unlocking with just a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch. When storms take the grid offline or adventure calls far from civilization, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus stands ready to meet serious power demands with resilience and speed. Designed for those who demand efficiency, this power station delivers 5 ultra-fast charging options. Plug into a 1,500-watt AC outlet and charge to 80% in just 40 minutes. Solar charging hits 80% in an hour, fully charges in 70 minutes. Sunset cookouts, lakeside mornings, or tailgate feasts. Wherever you're headed, the Asmoke Essential turns any setting into a gourmet grilling station. Fitted with a vivid 5-inch LCD screen and Wi-Fi remote control, this compact powerhouse keeps you in command, even from across the yard. Smart grilling just got easier, offering real-time updates on temp and performance in the palm of your hand. With 271 square inches of cooking space, it's built for mobility without sacrificing capacity. Experience effortless beach cleanup with the Beach Shower Holder, designed to elevate your post-adventure routine. Built with practicality and ease in mind, this shower holder provides hands-free convenience, making it easier to scrub away sand, dirt, or salt water from your skin and gear. The holder attaches securely to any flat surface using a strong suction mount, ensuring stability even in wet conditions. Simply rotate the dial to lock it in place, and the adjustable nozzle holder ensures the perfect angle for a full-body rinse. In the stillness of a room, it waits, poised not on a base, but a point. This is not an ordinary object. It's a sculptural expression of physics and art in motion. The amazing balancing lamp captures attention by simply existing, motionless yet alert. And when set in motion, it becomes something entirely different. Swivel and stand still on any pivot point. That's its mastery. One gentle flick and it spins gracefully, maintaining dynamic balance while gliding in continuous hypnotic motion for minutes. The Epivo Totem 360 conference camera offers an innovative approach to virtual meetings, transforming the experience with its 360-degree panoramic coverage. This USB-C plug-and-play device is designed to seamlessly integrate with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and communication. The Totem 360 captures every angle of a meeting using 4 lenses stitched together to deliver a human-eye view, ensuring no participant is left out of the frame. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The OStation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Craft Geek Max Plus Selfie Stick Tripod Stand is a game-changer for content creators who value versatility and portability. With its new Max Pro Plus design, it integrates 2 cold shoe mounts, making it ideal for those who need to attach both lights and microphones while shooting. This allows you to enhance the quality of your photos and videos, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The tripod extends from 11 inches to 60 inches, offering flexible height adjustments to suit different angles, making it easy to capture shots from any perspective. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, it's engineered for real-life mobility.